DX2 Capture is designed to simplify the accounts payable process. To make this process even more user-friendly, we have prepared the tips and tricks video series to guide you through. Our demo company for today will be Lunar Winds. It is the beginning of the month. Ellie, the accounts payable clerk, has received many invoices. She will walk us through how she will capture them in a way that the next time she uses Capture, most of the work has already been done for her. In our first video, we will show you when it is more ideal to map your fields by value or by coordinate. Knowing when to use either will make Capture work more efficiently for you. Let's take a look at a few different scenarios of how and when to use the two. Ellie has received an invoice from Quick Catering. She starts to capture her document. Her first field is her supplier name. Supplier names don't usually change. So as she is aware that the supplier name will remain the same for each invoice, she has mapped it by value. Unlike the supplier name though, an address can change, so in this case she does not need to change anything. She goes through the invoice and captures the rest of the fields. Mapping by coordinate relies on the digital reader detecting the text on the invoice correctly. When using Capture, you may find situations where the digital reader unfortunately cannot always differentiate between some letters and numbers. If at any time you find that the text is incorrectly detected, you can override it to reflect the actual text on the invoice. In this invoice, the invoice number starts with the letter I. Our reader has identified this as the number 1. Ellie will change this to the letter I. She can see a hint below showing that the field was overridden. This should not be confused with map by value, as overriding the text does not update the template. It is also important to note here that Ellie has captured her PO. This is an important step as DX2 is smart enough to auto-match the PO and the invoice. Ellie is now going to capture her GST number. She is facing an issue as the position of the text has made this not so possible. This is not a problem though, as she can type in the details. As we mentioned before, some information on an invoice remains constant in all invoices from a single supplier. The GST number is one of those things. Ellie will map by value as it will remember a constant value for that field for every invoice for this particular supplier. Check out the rest of our series for more Capture tips and tricks.